Welcome to today's video. You know that fluttery feeling you get right before giving a big presentation, waiting for exam results, heading into a job interview, lining up for a sports competition, meeting someone you like, stepping onto a roller coaster, or even when you're about to perform on stage. It's that odd spark of electricity deep inside, as if a tiny orchestra of flapping wings has erupted in your belly. It's such a universal sensation. But what's really happening when you feel butterflies in your stomach? This video is about why you feel butterflies in your stomach. The fascinating science behind how your brain and gut communicate during moments of excitement, nervousness, or fear. Imagine this. You're standing backstage, waiting for your name to be called. Your hands are a little sweaty, your heart beats faster, and your stomach starts to flutter. It's not hunger, and it's not sickness. It's pure anticipation. Those butterflies aren't just in your imagination. They're a physical reaction caused by your body's robust fight-or-flight response. When you face a stressful or emotional situation, whether it's real danger or just a nerve-wracking moment, your brain's amygdala, the part responsible for processing fear and emotion, acts like your brain's smoke alarm. It sends an alarm signal to your body, activating the sympathetic nervous system, which prepares you to respond quickly. It's the same biological reflex your ancient ancestors used to survive in the wild. Adrenaline rushes through your bloodstream, your heart pumps faster to deliver oxygen to your muscles, and your breathing quickens. But here's where it gets interesting. Your body doesn't need digestion right now. It requires focus and speed. So, your brain temporarily diverts blood away from your stomach and intestines and redirects it to areas that matter most for survival, such as your muscles, heart, and lungs. As a result, the physiological changes that follow enable your body to respond swiftly and efficiently to the perceived challenge. This sudden shift in blood flow causes the stomach muscles to tighten and the digestive process to pause. The result, a fluttery, light, or empty sensation in your abdomen. The feeling we call butterflies in your stomach. But there's more to it. Your gut and brain are connected by one of the most complex communication networks in your entire body, the vagus nerve. This nerve acts like a two-way superhighway, constantly sending signals between your digestive system and your brain. That's why emotions can trigger physical sensations in your stomach, and stomach issues can affect your mood. Scientists even call the gut the second brain, because it contains over 100 million nerve cells, almost as many as your spinal cord. When you feel anxious or excited, your brain releases stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which influence this gut-brain connection. That chemical rush alters muscle movement in your digestive tract, causing that fluttery, ticklish feeling. In extreme cases, it can even lead to nausea or an upset stomach, your body's way of saying, hey, something important is happening. Interestingly, you don't only feel butterflies when you're scared. You might feel them when you're in love, when you hear good news, or even when you're thrilled about something new. That's because the same physiological reactions, such as increased adrenaline and emotional arousal, can trigger both positive and negative emotions. Picture this. The adrenaline rush you feel during a heartfelt wedding toast shares the same chemical pathways as a leap of fright during a jump scare in a horror movie. Whether it's fear, excitement, or affection, Your body is using its introductory chemistry to respond. Think about the first time you talked to your crush, went on a date, or took a major life leap. That fluttering feeling wasn't random. It was your body's way of saying, "Pay attention. This moment matters." Emotions are physical experiences, not just thoughts in your head. Your body literally feels them. Here's something even more fascinating. Scientists believe butterflies in your stomach have once served an evolutionary purpose. Back in our early human history, when facing a threat like a predator, redirecting blood away from the digestive system conserved energy for fighting or fleeing. The light stomach sensation helped the body stay agile and alert. Today, the exact mechanism is activated by social or emotional threats like embarrassment, love, or anxiety. Even though there's no real danger, it's a leftover reflex from when survival depended on quick physical action. In other words, your body still reacts to emotions, as if you were being chased by a tiger, even if all you're doing is texting your crush. So, what can you do when those butterflies take over? You can calm your body by signaling to your nervous system that you're safe. Try deep breathing, which activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the opposite of the fight-or-flight system too. Slow your heart rate and relax your gut. Remind yourself that those butterflies aren't a sign of weakness or danger. They're a sign that your body cares about what's happening. Another effective strategy is positive self-talk. Reassure yourself with phrases like, "I am prepared," or "I can handle this." This kind of mental reinforcement can help calm your nerves and shift your focus onto the positive aspects of the situation. In fact, some psychologists suggest reframing butterflies as a good thing. They energize you for a meaningful event. Performers, athletes, and speakers often say they use their nerves as fuel. For instance, imagine a pianist who channels her pre-concert jitters into a dazzling performance. They've learned to channel the adrenaline rush into focus and excitement rather than fear. So the next time you feel butterflies in your stomach, whether it's before a first date, a big exam, or a thrilling adventure, smile. Your body isn't betraying you. It's preparing you. It's proof that you're alive, alert, and about to experience something that matters. And isn't that what makes life exciting? Let's keep exploring the everyday wonders of how your body and mind work together, one why at a time. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more fascinating science facts, hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see the full playlist, the link is in the description.